Have you been considering a transition to a waterfront condo, but you're just finding the layouts lack the excitement and the wow factor you're looking for?
How about 18 feet of glass on Toronto Street overlooking gorgeous Barrie's Kempenfelt Bay and Marina?
How about something with enough flair that you'd expect to find this type of luxury in something like Manhattan instead of downtown Barrie?
All that and more on today's episode.
All right, Unc, so we're down on one of our favorite locations today, having a stroll at the Barrie City Marina. Such a fabulous location here. Now hear me for a moment. If you were gonna, get rid of the house and the year-round maintenance that come along with it, choose a building that's all about lifestyle, centrally located, which one are you going with?
Well, Scotty, truly, it's really a no-brainer. 2 and 6 Toronto Street is absolutely the #1 choice. Now, the reasons for this are very simple. The walkability is exceptional. You're literally a 2-minute walk to Centennial Beach. You're less than a 2-minute walk to this beautiful marina. And over and above that, you've got spectacular facilities downtown, including restaurants, shops, pubs, and entertainment venues.
That's the epitome of lifestyle, in my opinion. Now, you know what else is excellent is the unit we are going to showcase today. It is incredibly rare. If you spent any time looking at these beautiful buildings, I guarantee you've wondered, what do those 2-story units on the very front look like when they get inside? Well, today we are going to show you exactly that, but not just any 2-story unit. This one has been upgraded from top to bottom, from wall to wall. You simply will not find architectural flair and a level of finish like this in the city of Barrie too often.
Let's get inside and have a closer look.
Welcome inside Suite 302. Now, Steve and I told you were in for a treat today, and you're gonna realize that the moment you walk through the front door with one of the most spectacular views you'll find in our city. Now, these Key Largo models are incredibly rare. We've only got 5 in the building itself. We've got 1,455 square feet that span over not 1, but 2 levels. Incredibly rare to find this type of configuration. Now, let's talk about the attention to detail in this one because the owners have done a beautiful job finishing this suite. Now, in the kitchen here, we've got 2-tone solid wood cabinetry, quartz countertops with the waterfall edge. You've got the tile backsplash, the stainless steel appliances, and then it's the little things for me. The granite sink, you've got the pot filler, and then my favorite part is you've got a large pantry that runs right off the side of the kitchen, tucks underneath the staircase. You don't find storage space or finish levels like this very often.
Now, Scotty absolutely nailed it when he said the level of finish was second to none. It absolutely is. You'll see that as we go through the entire suite. Now here, what I love is the transition from a home to a condo. The layout is amazing for that. You've got your formal dining room, enough space to entertain family and friends, all overlooking Kempenfelt Bay. Now, the formal living room area here features a stone fireplace, floor to ceiling. It's got a great open concept feel. Of course, this 18 feet of glass is absolutely sensational. And my favorite part, this view down Kempenfelt Bay is irreplaceable. Check it out.
Welcome up to the second level of this beautiful 2-story condo. Now we find ourselves in the primary suite here, and the first thing you're gonna notice is gorgeous Kempenfelt Bay right over my shoulder here. Imagine starting your day overlooking the water each and every day. From there we get into the fine details, and they are endless. You've got the beautiful blue feature wall here, the gold accents throughout the entire suite, an incredible walk-in closet fully equipped with built-ins for all your designer goods. In addition to that, we've got a beautiful 3-piece bathroom up here with the full glass walk-in shower, beautiful vanity, and that's not all. We got lots more to cover on this level.
Now this upper level space is incredibly versatile. It functions especially well as a luxurious office and/or den space. Now if you're looking for room to house those overnight guests as a second bedroom, this space has you covered. Now, if there's any concerns at all about all the beautiful natural light that comes in through here, we've got you covered.
The versatility continues as we explore the rest of this second level here. Now, of course, we've got the front-loading washer and dryer on this level, but then it's rounded out by this incredible kitchenette and bar space on the second level here. So whether you're just looking for that glass of water at night, that cocktail after work, or coffee first thing in the morning, you've got it right on the second level in addition to the first. But that's not all. In addition to all the built-in cabinetry here, we've got a fold-up desk that pops up. Boom, you've got a soundproof office space ideal for those at-home calls. And of course, to round out any luxury condominium is its very own outdoor space, and this one sure delivers. We've got an open glass balcony, ideal spot for a lounge set or a dining set, all overlooking Kempenfelt Bay. But not just Kempenfelt Bay. We are directly on the front of the building here, facing directly east, which means you get all the downtown city lights in the evening time. You get the marina during the daytime, and of course, you can see right over to Centennial Beach. Truly hits off all the check boxes here. Can you imagine having your very own boat in that marina and keeping an eye on it right from, well, any room in your condo?
Now that's exceptionally well said, Scotty, but let's not forget about those incredible amenities that belong to this building. You've got a beautiful in-ground pool, sauna, you've got a whirlpool, you've got a party room, and a great fitness facility all overlooking gorgeous Kempenfelt Bay. But let's not forget also that the lobbies and all the common areas have just been recently updated and are absolutely luxurious.
So let me get that straight. You got a designer building with brand new finishes, a designer rarely offered two-story suite with brand new finishes, and an indoor parking space. Sounds a heck of a lot better than winter in a house in Barrie, if you ask me. Now, we're the Knowles Woolsey team. We know waterfront condos, and for more information on this listing and others, check out our website.